चांदण्याच्या बसून विमानी सहल करूया गगनाची. चला मुलांनो आज पाहूया शाळा चांदोबा गुरुजींची. चला मुलांनो आज पाहूया शाळा चांदोबा गुरुजींची. आज पौर्णिमा जमले तारे आकाशाच्या वर्गात. चांदोबा गुरुजी तर दिसती कुठल्या मोठ्या मौजात. हसून चांदण्या करती किलबिल आपुल्या इवल्या डोळ्यांची. चला मुलांनो आज पाहूया शाळा चांदोबा गुरुजींची. द्वितीयेपासून रोजच येती गुरुजी उशिरा शाळेत. फुले चांदणी फुलती आणि सगळी आपुल्या गमतीत. कधी वर्गातून पडते उल्का ओढ लागुनी पृथ्वीची. चला मुलांनो आज पाहूया शाळा चांदोबा गुरुजींची. कोणी तेजाचे ओठ हलवुनी मंगळास वेडावितसे. रागाने मग मंगळ वेडा गोरा मोरा होतासे. बघुनी सारे हसता हसता होते चंगळ साऱ्यांची. चला मुलांनो आज पाहूया शाळा चांदोबा गुरुजींची.
So guys and my colleagues, I would like to give certain aspects regarding a star planet party organized by this school. Basically, Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Education Society, working in Aurangabad city, one of the well-reputed institution. Being as a reputed institution, he is working in educational field. Basically, that idea comes in our mind with my all that colleagues. So they have given that one of the best fruitful results by doing that study of star planet party. We have arranged that star planet party in Aurangabad city. Near that Aurangabad city, Wagola name is there, and in that Wagola village, basically, purposely we have made that organization in Wagola because their light pollution should not be there. So that's why we are from Aurangabad city, around 30 kilometers away, we have arranged that party. So basic needs of this one is there that students as well as colleagues also, they are not aware regarding that what we are seeing in that star planet party is there. What space is there, what in that space, what is related to this one, what activities performed by all that planets, they are not aware regarding this one. So that's why purposely we have arranged that star planet party. Related to this one, we have made that arrangement, that is by using that telescope. Mr. Kulkarni sir, Raut sir, Rode sir, Dandge sir, they have made a lot of study regarding that all the stars as well as planets, and due to which they becomes very familiar with all that planets. Related to this one, their knowledge regarding that solar system, it becomes very easy to make a study of all that concepts. So related to this one, what they have studied, basically we will see now what type of study they are in, how they have explained their concepts regarding that solar planets. So all that study you can see in this video is there. Related to this one, in solar system, basically I would like to do that certain study regarding that Mars. But Mars is there, Neptune is there, Saturn is there. Related to this one again, Mr. Vidyalay sir also giving that on related to this one, that planet is there. So all that study, all that information you can gather from the star planet party. So one of the great achievement of government of India is that in first attempt only, government of India launched that vehicle on satellite in first attempt. It is a extraordinary success. got by government of India. So what success we got in? India becomes the first nation throughout the world who has got that great success. And in memory of this and in success of this, government of India launched a picture on a currency of 2000 note, so that what achievement we have got, it should be becomes popular. And till last stage, what is Mars is there, what is related to this one achievement of government of India is a proud for all Indians. It becomes a tremendous success in the space studies, and due to which it becomes a great achievement related what we have got in that Mars is satellites. Through that satellite we can got the information related to this one, and what obtained that a success, it becomes a great achievement of India.
Good evening, friends. Today I am going to tell you some information about our dear planet Earth. As we know, in our solar system there are 9 planets and many stars, including our Earth. Due to atmosphere around our Earth, there are so many living things live on our Earth. In our solar system, only our Earth is there that it support to living things to live. The distance of our Earth from the Sun is very long, and it is near about 14 crore 95 lakh kilometer. As it is very long distance, so the sun rays takes near about 499 seconds to travel from sun to Earth. Earth's radius, it is very broad, and the radius of our Earth is 6,371 kilometers. It is very broad. Earth's circumference at the equator is near about 40,075 kilometers at the equator, but pole to pole it is 40,008 kilometers near about. And the mass of our dear planet Earth is 59 lakh 72,000 crore tons. So it is very heavy. We can imagine that our Earth is very heavy. Its mass is near about 59 lakh 72,000 tons. Our Earth has 2 motions. It moves around the sun as well as it moves around itself. It has 2 motions and it orbits the sun, and it takes near about 365 days to complete one orbit, and near about 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. So our Earth has 2 motions. Earth is a very watery planet. As we know that there is near about 70% of its surface is covered with water. If we see our planet from the space, it looks blue because it covered with 70% water, and near about 30% it covered with land. on which human beings can live. Earth is the only planet that has 21% oxygen in its atmosphere, and because of 21% oxygen, it helps the living things to live on the earth. And near about 10 to 14 million species live on our earth, and 7.2 billion human beings can live on our earth. Earth's surface, there are 4 layers of earth structure. First, earth's crust. The first layer on which we live, it is called as earth's crust, the first layer of our earth, and it is extend near about 16 kilometer deep, and it made by rocks and some loose materials. The second layer, it is called as mantle. It extends near about 2,897 kilometers deep, and it is made of solid rocky substances. The third layer of our earth structure is called as outer layer, and it extends near about 4,828 kilometers, and it is made of a very hot molten lava. At the third layer, it is called inner core, and it is a very solid ball made of iron and nickel. So surface of the earth is not flat, or it is not a plane. In some places it is very high, and in some places it is very deep. The highest place of the earth, it is Mount Everest, which is located in our India, as well as the deepest place on the earth is in the Pacific Ocean, and that is called the Mariana Trench. Thus, this our dear planet, our duty to save it. Thank you very much.
Namaskar. I am Ashok from Dharmveer Sambhaji Vidyalay, Aurangabad. You are most welcome to this Grand Star Planet Party, 19 November 2022. We have arranged this party for giving a thrill to all the students of our school, that they have to enjoy all these planets lively. We have to see from this universe. There are so many galaxies in our universe, and our galaxy is a Milky Way galaxy. We are the part of this galaxy, and there are so many planets in this universe. Actually, we have to study at least 8 planets from this our galaxy. And now I am telling you the information about the Venus planet. This Venus is also an important planet from this universe, and this planet have, what are planets? Planets don't have their own heat, they don't have their own light. They are totally dependent upon the light from the sun. So Venus, one of the most important planets from this universe, it is called as an inner planet. Why? Because it is from that planet, that 4 planets, which is before the asteroid belt. After the asteroid belt, they are not. They are called as outer planets. So Venus is an inner planet. It is very small in size. It is made up from rock material. It is nearly about a circular orbit. This Venus has no satellite. It is a satelliteless planet and it revolves very fast. So all other planets revolve fast but rotate very slow. But this revolve very fast and rotate slowly. So this Venus, for its own revolution, it takes 229 days, whereas to complete its rotation, it takes 243 days. Because of this reason, the day is bigger than the year on this planet. It's the only planet which have such a kind of variation about this revolution and rotation. The distance from Sun of this planet is 108 million kilometers from the Sun. It is called as a sister of Earth because the mass and size is equal. We can say it is equal to the Earth. Because of this reason, we call this Venus as a sister of our Earth. The atmosphere from this Venus, its temperature at the daytime, it is very high. It's near about 480 degrees centigrade. In the night, the temperature of Venus is 233 degrees centigrade. So it is a very hottest planet because the distance from the planet from the Sun, it is very less rather than as compared to the other planet, the distance is less. So because of this reason, it is very hottest. The climate which is made up from on this Venus, it is nearly about CO2 and Na. So, and the clouds from this Venus, they are made up from a sulfuric acid. So the rotation, it is also a diverse, or we call it as a retrograde. Means the other planet rotation is west to east and this planet's rotation is east to west. So it is called as a retrograde rotation. And the poles are also different. Means other planets have the north pole is on upper side, whereas this planet has the south pole is at the upper side and the north pole is at the lower side. So it is a different planet, really a very wonderful planet that this Venus has. And the morning time and evening time is also different. We can see this planet on the morning and in the evening because there is one song in Marathi, Ugavali Shukrachi Chandani. Means at morning time, very dawn time, we can see this planet easily in the sky. And there are so many missions where had been done by NASA, ISRO, USSR for having a planning to map this Venus. From that mission 2510 by NASA, it was arranged by America, and Venera mission is also arranged by USSR 256. These missions were also arranged, and in 1990s NASA arranged one mission. It is a Magellan mission, and it was successful because they can map. They have a very too much information about the mapping of this Venus, and India has also a mission. Means it is in the very few months that is arranged. That will be arranged on 2023, and the name is given to this Shukrayan by ISRO. It will be on the arranged on 2023. So this is all about the great planet Venus. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Grand Solar Party. Today we are going to take information about the planet that is Jupiter. It is 5th place from our Sun and 3rd place from our planet Earth. We are standing on Earth. The Earth is 3rd place from Sun. The closest to the Sun is Mercury, after that Venus, then our Earth, after Earth, fourth place is Mars, and after Mars, the fifth place, the Jupiter planet. So today we are going to learn Jupiter. But what is Jupiter? Jupiter is known as, due to its large shape, it is known as due to its large shape, as well as it is very beautiful planet. It is scientifical, geographical, as well as mythological and religious importance. We know what is the students, we know of our Earth. Our Earth takes for 24 hours, but the revolution period of Jupiter is very fast. That is, the revolution period of Jupiter is 9 hours 50 minutes, and its speed of revolution is speed of rotation is 45,300 km per hour. We know the revolution speed of revolution period of our Earth is 365 days, whereas Jupiter takes one complete revolution 4,333 days, means nearly about 12 years. The distance of Jupiter from our Earth is 650.93 million kilometers. That means nearly about 65 crore 93 lakh kilometers. As well as the distance of Jupiter from Sun is 5 AU. What is AU? AU is the unit, the distance between Earth and the Sun. 1 AU, it is known as 1 astronomical unit. In 1 astronomical unit is 150 million kilometers. That means 50 crore kilometers. So this this Jupiter is near about 77 crore 84 lakh 12,010 kilometers from the Sun, and it is away from our Earth is 65 crore 93 lakh kilometers. As well as the diameter of Jupiter is 1,42,985 kilometers, whereas the diameter of our Earth is 12,742 kilometers. That means the diameter of Jupiter is 11 times bigger than our Earth. So the diameter of Jupiter is 11 times our Earth. In 1610, Galileo saw the 4 moons of Jupiter. We know Jupiter having 63 moons, that means satellites. Galileo in 1610 saw 4 moons of Jupiter. It is known as Galilean moons. The names are Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. The Ganymede moon is, that means Ganymede satellite is larger than our Mercury planet. So this Jupiter is made from gaseous, in that mainly hydrogen, helium, methane, hydrogen, deuterium, etc. Thank you students for taking information about Jupiter.
All my brothers and sisters. Today we are learning and get information about the solar system. We know about the solar system, everyone, but there are some critical problems, critical issues, and we are not understanding what is the solar system in our universal and as well as the student. We know all planets, but systematically we can go to find the which planets are the planet history. So I am going to inform to you about the Saturn planet. Saturn planet is the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Why is solar in the solar system? There are so many planets, but we know about these 7 and 8 planets. First, we know that we are standing on the Earth. From the Earth, we are searching the Saturn from our eyes. But if you want to see the closely, you can take the support of our in the galaxy. We are take the support of that's called the instrument of particular geographical. So, solar system is a very nice system for the student, as well as Saturn is the largest second planet in the solar system. First, we know the Jupiter means main, Jupiter means big, that's Jupiter. Jupiter after second, the largest is Saturn. You know the Saturn is not solid. Saturn is not solid. He is a big with bonding the gases, there's methane, hydrogen, nitrogen, as well as helium, so many gases. It is a joint gaseous planet. It is a very light gases. We cannot enter in the Saturn because it is a gases, it is a bonding of gases. We cannot stand on the Saturn. Therefore, he look very beautiful. Is surrounding the Saturn so many parts of rocks, as well as the snows, some quantity of the gases. That's the ring is going to flow in. As well as the Saturn, when you find from the sun, the distance of the suns of Saturn 1.43 billion kilometers. It is a very largest, and that's why he can't as a solid. Solid means a comfortable, but gases he is bonding the gases to Saturn. Saturn is a god of Roman civilization. Roman civilization, he decided the Saturn is the farmer god. We know all people in the universal, he look like a god as a particular Jupiter, Earth, Mars, Venus, Plato, Neptune, all them. But the Saturn is the 6th place. Saturn is a 6th place of solar system. 3rd place is Earth. We are now standing on the Earth. 3rd planet Earth is we are now standing. After 3rd, Saturn. Saturn is the 6th. So we know about Saturn is beautiful. Why? Because they are around the ring are very nice by the gases and all type of snows ring. Yes, he is shining. He is shining to the universal in the planet system. That's he look like very colorful, yellow color, blue, red color. That is why he is a very smart planet in our solar system. So the Saturn is the best for us. We have a lot of information, but now I am talking another. There are 82 moons. There are 82 moons for Saturn, but Titan is the biggest. Titan is the biggest moon of Saturn, and he is only looking for us. We cannot be reached there. We cannot be reached there because there are so many hurdles, so many disturbs. But we can looking from our galaxy. So Saturn is a gaseous joint planet. We cannot enter there. We cannot going to satellite in that ring, but we can see what a beautiful space in our Saturn. So thank you for all of you boys, my dears. Saturn is a real hero of the planet system. Thank you very much. All the best.